Welcome to today's video. This is a basic level phonics lesson, and today we're going to be learning to sound out words that have IE and IGH. But first, let's practice the sounds or review the sounds from the last video. So go ahead and read the sounds, pause the video while you do that, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers.
O, 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 E, E, E,
All right, now listen to which letters make the E sound and which ones make the O sound.
E, O,
Okay, so the E is EY, EE, and EA, and the O sound is OA, OE, and OW. All right, now review these words, practice sounding them out and then reading them, and then restart when you're ready to listen to the answers.
B, O, T, boat, K, O, S, T, coast, G, O, grow, O, low, T, O, D, toad, T, O, toe,
All right, now we're going to learn the IE sound, so listen and repeat.
I, 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 pie,
Now practice reading these words, sounding them out, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers.
I, pie, T, I, tie, O, I, lie, D, I, die,
All right, now we'll practice the IGH sound, so listen and repeat.
I, 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 high, I, 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 right,
All right, now practice sounding out and reading these words that have the IGH, and then restart the video to listen and check.
S, I, sigh, O, I, T, light, I, T, right, B, I, T, bright,
All right, now practice these words.
I, tight. I, tie. I, thigh. I, fight. I, might. I, pie. I, night. I, high. I, sigh. S, n, o, I, sunlight. I, d, n, I, midnight. O, I, lie.
Now listen and write the words, and then I'll play it a second time and fill in the correct answers.
Lie. High. Bright. Light. Midnight. Sight. Lie. High. Bright. Light. Midnight. Sight.
All right, now we'll review these sight words.
Out. Every. Love.
All right, now practice reading the sentences and then restart the video when you're ready to listen and check.
His tie is tight. He hurt his thigh in a fight. The plant might die with no sunlight. It is not right to lie.
Now read the story about Joe and his pie. Look at the pictures, and try to read on your own, and then restart the video when you're ready to hear the answers.
Every night at midnight, Joe bakes a small pie. The next morning, when the sun is high in the sky, Joe eats the pie. After he eats, he lets out a sigh. This is not a lie. He loves to eat pie in the bright sunlight.
All right, now read the entire story again on your own. Then you can restart the video when you're ready to listen.
Every night at midnight, Joe bakes a small pie. The next morning, when the sun is high in the sky, Joe eats the pie. After he eats, he lets out a sigh. This is not a lie. He loves to eat pie in the bright sunlight.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.